Screwdriver.
Screwdriver! Holiday special.
I'm green. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do after I put this ornament on my Christmas tree. I'm gonna go to the mall. Come on, ornament. Uh-oh.
So the retarded screwdriver did as he said. He put the ornament on the Christmas tree.
Yay, my Christmas tree is done. I finished the last ornament. Yay. It's a white Christmas tree. Okay, I'm going to the mall. Woohoo. Mama, mama, sing a little mama, mama, mama. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, mama, mama.
5 hours later.
I'm here. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's go. Oh, I love the sleigh ride. I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. Whee! Oh, my God. Is that Santa?
So what do you want for Christmas, kid?
Oh, Santa!
Oh, wait in line. Wait in line. You'll have to wait in line, kid.
Move it, kid. Move it. Move it,
There's
kid.
no kids in line. Only you.
Where's Santa?
Get off of my lap! You're not getting anything if you don't get off.
Okay.
So, kid, what do you want for Christmas? Oh, okay. That's a great present. Well, okay. As soon as you wake up on Christmas Eve, you're gonna get what you want, okay? Have a nice day!
Listen! Yay! Santa Claus!
Hey!
Yo.
So, what do you want for Christmas?
You know, I want a new face. Uh-huh.
A face? You don't have one.
Okay, fine. I want a face.
Okay. Well, that's easy. All I have to do is go ka-sham face. And then as soon as you wake up, you'll have a face.
Yay! Thank you, Santa!
You're my favorite so far.
Yay!
Here you go, candy cane. Take it with you. Put it in your pocket. Okay. Bye.
I gotta hurry home. I'm going to bed. I can't wait to have a new face. Yay! Gotta run. Rise and shine. Yay! Good morning, everybody. Wait a minute. I feel kind of awkward today. I can see better. Let me go look in the mirror. I'm going to the mirror. Holy macaroni. I am scarcely seeing myself in the mirror with a face. That's not true. That's not true. Oh my God! From last night, Santa gave me a face. Hey, it smells like Sharpie. Oh well. Yay! I'm gonna go say